Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up landing pages with Unbounce step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Unbounce website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Unbounce dashboard. To start a new landing page, click on the Create New button. Select Landing Page from the options that appear. You will now see a variety of templates to choose from. Browse through the templates and select one that aligns with your goals. After selecting a template, click on the Start Editing button. You'll be taken to the Drag and Drop editor. On the left side, you'll find elements like text blocks, images, and buttons. Drag and drop elements onto the canvas to customize your page. Click on any element to edit its properties. You can change text, font size, and color in the editing panel. Make sure to add a compelling headline to capture your visitor's attention. Next, include a well-placed call to action button. This button should stand out and clearly indicate what action you want visitors to take. You can also add images or videos to make your landing page more engaging. Ensure that all multimedia elements are optimized for fast loading. Once you're satisfied with your design, review all content for clarity and relevance. Make sure the landing page is mobile responsive. Use the preview function to see how your page will look on different devices. After finalizing your design, click on the Publish button. You will be prompted to choose a domain for your landing page. You can publish it to a custom domain or to an Unbounce subdomain. Select your preferred option and follow the prompts to complete the setup. Once your landing page is live, copy the URL for future promotion. Lastly, monitor the performance of your landing page through Unbounce analytics tools. This will help you evaluate its effectiveness and make necessary adjustments. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.